Hi everyone, Mrs. Hunt here again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install and use a super helpful Google Chrome plugin called EquatIO. And this plugin lets you type math really quickly and easily, even in Google Forms. So those of you who had a math class online in the spring may remember that there was lots of fractions and exponents and stuff that got really ugly to try and type in, and this plugin will make that a lot quicker and easier for you. So the first thing you're going to do if you're just on a Google page here is search up EquatIO, EquatIO. If you search that up, the first hit should be from a site called texthelp.com. So go ahead and click on that. And this will bring us to the link for EquatIO, which is a math writing software. You can see some examples here, ads all about it. But if you scroll down a bit, tells you what EquatIO is, blah, blah, blah. But then if you keep scrolling down, see how it says educators and your students. And underneath students, there's this button to let you try it for free. And that is what you want to click on. If you're under students, try it for free, then it'll take you to this bar here and you can select the kind of application you want to use, Windows, Mac, Chrome, or a web app. And you're going to want to use the Chrome plugin because that's what lets you work with Google Forms, Google Slides, Google Docs, all of those Google Chrome applications. Whether or not you have a Chromebook, you're going to be working with the Chrome web browser. So that's what you want to install. When you click install, it will take you over to the Chrome Web Store. And again, this will be for free. So all you need to do once it loads is go right up here and notice how mine says remove from Chrome. That's because I already have it installed. But for you, that'll be a nice little blue button that says add to Chrome. And all you'll need to do is just click right on that. And then once you've got it added to Chrome, it should appear at the top right corner of your screen as this sort of little blue square icon that says EquatIO. And now you should have it installed, set up, and ready to use.